SpaceX rolled its first true Super Heavy booster from its assembly facility in South Texas, a few kilometers down the road to its launch site. On Wednesday, the company hoisted the 400-foot rocket onto the launch stand using a giant crane. The vehicle's two segments, an upper stage called Starship, and a booster called Super Heavy, were connected together at the firm's Starbase Rand facility in Boca Chica, Texas. When it eventually lifts off, it will produce about twice the thrust of the vehicles that sent men to the moon. The main engines on Apollo's famous Saturn V rockets delivered some 35 meganewtons off the pad. The new SpaceX Super Heavy booster should achieve around 70 meganewtons. Company CEO, Elon Musk, says the Starship system, once fully developed, will be more than capable of taking humans to the Moon and Mars.